Good morning, everybody. Going into China, you need to invest in people. And whether that is investing in people that will be employed by you or investing in people that are working for third parties, you cannot go to China alone. You need to have this ecosystem of people that are surrounding your business, helping to advise you, helping to implement, helping you to scale up and grow successfully. So here are a couple of questions that I want to ask you. Who would be your first hires going into China? Who are the first critical people that you think you will need in your team to help you to implement and then eventually scale up? Where would these people located? Would they be located in your head office? Would they be located on the ground in China? Where would they actually be? How would you employ these people? If you decide to go the route of not actually establishing an entity in China, how would you employ them? Would you employ them through third parties? Would you use an employer of record service? How would you actually go about developing that scenario? And would you create a phased approach so that eventually your staff or your employees feel like there's stability coming? What is the cost of having these people on board? China is no longer the cheap jurisdiction it used to be. Salaries are escalating, and they're getting to levels of the Western nations, especially those that have the skill set and are good for your business. So do you have an idea what the cost is? Do you understand what the salary implications would be if you're looking at social insurance, if you're looking at housing fund? How does that look in the total calculation when you're looking at salaries? And then ultimately, what are the challenges and solutions around these first hires, as well as this ecosystem that you're developing through third parties? What are the problems and solutions? Now, to answer all of these questions, we have our webinar session, our session 3 today, all about having an empowering ecosystem of people to advise, support, implement, scale up your business in China, particularly if you're in this market entry phase. If you're interested in participating in this webinar and getting answers to those questions, then sign up. I'm going to be providing the link in the comments section. Sign up and get an understanding of how this information can help to support your business and your action plans for the next 90 days to get the ball rolling and moving forward as you enter into the Chinese market. Sign up today, and I hope to see you later on. Take care and goodbye.